You may wake up one day and notice that standing from a chair feels harder. Climbing stairs takes more effort, or your legs feel heavy and weak, even without much activity. Most people think this is normal aging, but the truth is far more serious. Muscle loss doesn't just increase with age, it doubles after 65, and weak legs are often the very first warning sign. It is deeply connected to what is missing on their plate every single day. Here's the part no one explains clearly. Even if you eat enough, your muscles may still be starving. This leads to a condition called age-related muscle loss, where leg muscles shrink faster than any other muscle group. Legs are large muscles, and when they weaken, balance declines, walking slows, and the risk of falling rises sharply. A simple fall at this age can change life forever. That's why understanding this now is critical. Muscle loss after 65 is not permanent, and leg weakness is not irreversible. The body still has the ability to rebuild muscle if it receives the right signals. One of the strongest signals is food, not expensive supplements, not extreme gym routines, but specific everyday foods that activate muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and improve strength naturally. Many seniors eat less because appetite drops with age. Digestion slows down. Taste changes. Over time, legs become thinner, weaker, and slower. This is why leg weakness often appears before weakness in the arms or hands. Muscles need raw material to rebuild, and that raw material comes from food. Research shows that seniors who consume the right combination of protein, vitamin D, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory nutrients maintain stronger legs, better balance, and greater independence. Those who don't are more likely to experience rapid muscle decline. Another hidden reason leg weakness increases is chronic inflammation. After 65, low-level inflammation becomes common, often caused by poor diet choices. This inflammation silently damages muscle tissue and blocks muscle repair. This connection is rarely explained in simple terms, yet it plays a massive role in how strong or weak your legs become. Eating protein evenly throughout the day is far more effective than eating a large amount at night. When they don't receive regular nourishment, they shrink. Certain nutrients help maintain the connection between nerves and muscles. When this connection weakens, muscles don't respond properly, even if they are still present. Supporting nerve health through diet is just as important as feeding the muscles themselves. The right food can help break this cycle by restoring enough strength to encourage safe movement again. Confidence returns when the body feels supported from within. Studies show that after 65, people can lose up to 1% of muscle mass per year, and even more strength than that. The most important thing to understand is that muscles are living tissue. They respond to signals. Aging changes the signals, but it does not turn them off. Food is one of the strongest signals you can control every day. If you or someone you care about has noticed leg weakness, slower walking, difficulty standing, or frequent fatigue in the legs, this is not something to ignore. It is your body asking for support. Small changes, done consistently, can lead to noticeable improvement over time. Stay with this channel, because in upcoming videos we will break down exactly which everyday foods help rebuild leg strength after 65, which foods silently destroy muscle, and how to combine nutrition with simple movements for maximum results. This knowledge can help you stay independent, confident, and mobile for years longer than you thought possible. If this information is helping you understand your body better, like the video and subscribe for trusted health guidance. For the next video and more life-changing health insights, visit the channel and stay connected.